let's take a look at this example. Please notice that we have second degree term on the right side of the equal sign and the coefficient of it is negative. I prefer to have positive coefficients if this is possible. That's why what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my right side of the equation to the left side. Okay? And let's take a look what we're going to have. Negative 4x, if I'm going to move to the left side, is going to be 4x squared plus 4x, and I have to also move 11 to the left side, and I have to change the sign. Negative 11 equals 0. Please notice that the coefficient of my second degree term is called A. I'm going to call it A. This one is B, and negative 11 is C. Next, we're supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A equals minus, because I have to copy down this negative sign, and B is equal 4 plus minus square root, and I have B squared, so I have 4 to the second power, okay, I'm supposed to copy down the power from the formula, minus 4 times A is equal 4, times C, which is equal negative 11, over 2 times A, 2 times 4 equals, and I have X equals negative 4 plus minus square root, and I have 4 to the second power is equal 16. Negative times positive is negative. Negative times negative is positive, plus 4 times 4 is 16 times 11 is equal 176 over 2 times 4, which is equal 8, equals negative 4 plus minus square root 16 plus 176 is 192 over 8, which is equal X equals negative 4 plus minus square root of 192 we can rewrite as 64 times 3, and everything is over 8. Continue. We have negative 4 plus minus, you can rewrite this square root as square root of 64 times square root of 3 over 8, which is equal negative 4 plus minus square root of 64 is equal 8 square root of 3 over 8. Next, we can factorize 4 from these two terms, I mean terms in the numerator, and we are going to have 4 negative 1 plus minus 2 square root of 3 over 8. 4 and 8, both of them are divisible by 4. That's why I'm going to have X equals negative 1 plus minus 2 square root of 3 over 2. Next, we can rewrite this expression or this equation as x equals negative 1/2 plus 2 square root of 3 over 2, okay, where 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I'm going to have negative 1/2 plus square root of 3, or x equals negative 1/2 minus square root of 3, because I have negative sign over here. So we can say that these two values of x, I mean negative 1/2 plus square root of 3, or x equals negative 1/2 minus square root of 3, are correct solutions to my problem.